Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Richmond's place. Matt here. We've already got the morning going started. We've already got the garage open. We took care of our chores, and we've already fed the chickens, let the chickens out. And I went this morning and picked up a excavator from Home Depot. We're gonna get the stump out. We're gonna get the dirt pile moved this morning. So we're in a hurry to get started. We've only got the excavator for a day. I'll show you the excavator. So we rented this from Home Depot this morning. We'll return it by the end of the day. It's way easier than trying to dig this stuff out by hand. It's a lot of dirt to move, and it would take a couple of days to dig the stump out by hand. So excavator, way easier. All right, let's get her started. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you, this is way easier and way more fun. So if you ever get an opportunity, these things are kind of inexpensive to rent. For a few $100, you get it for a day. You get a lot of work done. Alright, just to let you know where we're at, I'm going to show you. And what we do is we dig around the stump, and we try to pull up all the roots, the main root, and we'll take a look and see what we have so far. See all those roots? Can you imagine trying to do that by hand? So we're going to pull this out of here. Yesterday we got quite a bit done. Not a lot. I mean, we did some filming, and as you can see that we removed the dirt mound and the burn piles. We also removed the tree stump. And this is how it looks now. We've all that removed. We intend on getting the next row in the 5th row, and that'd be the last row going in this direction. Then we're going to extend this out by 32 feet. This row right here. And then we're going to come back across all the way to the fence. So we'll see how things go. You know, it's a work in progress, so I'm constantly rethinking, making some changes, and hopefully we'll get some more plants planted today. Obviously we got our tomatoes planted, we've talked about. They're starting to climb up. I know a lot of people are saying to themselves, well, aren't weeds going to grow up through them holes? We're going to trim out some fabric to cover those holes up and to surround the plants. All right, we're just about wrapping it up for a day today. We got some rain coming in. Should be here the next half hour, so we're going to hurry up, try to get things put away. I'm going to take a quick minute and show you what we've done so far. Now, sorry. What we've done is by the way, no tree stump, no fire pit, and no dirt mound. But today we've put in all these posts, and we put some cattle panel up. Gotta go pick up some more cattle panel yet. And what it is there's gonna be an archway between these two rows. And you'll see what I'm talking about once we start. This will allow us to for the vegetables to grow up and over our heads. We've got all the holes dug. This is for our peppers. We got a variety of peppers going in. We've got green peppers, yellow peppers, red peppers. We've got hot peppers, jalapeno peppers. We've got sweet banana peppers going in. Enough room for 226 pepper plants. And Rebecca is steadily planting the plants, getting the peppers put in. Now we've finished planting our tomato plants that we have. We got 62 tomato plants. We got 226 pepper plants, and we did finish getting the fence in the back, so that's closed off now. We still have one more row to put in here. I might get two short ones. We'll have to see. We'll see how ambitious we are, because we'd like to have all the planting done 2 weeks from tomorrow. And then we can start enjoying the garden a little bit. It's going to be a beautiful garden when it's done. You see the storm clouds are starting to move in. I have to start getting things put away. And I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. So, good afternoon and God bless. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, like, and share this video with people. Thank you.